So I have a bookcase with two shelves of books. On the upper shelf, the book with the greatest number of pages has 400. So it has 400 pages. So all the rest of them might have 350 or whatever. Okay, but it's got 400. And on the lower shelf, the book with the least number of pages has 475. So 475. I'm just pretending that I'm writing in the books are in order, increasing order. So the least is 475. So the rest of them might be 500. And we're trying to figure out what is the median of all the books. Okay, well, clue one, there's 25 books on the upper shelf. Well, that doesn't help me any because I don't know how many are on the bottom. So cross that out. And clue two, there are 24 books on the lower shelf. I don't know anything about the upper shelf, so that doesn't work. But now let's put them together. So I've got 25 books, whatever, 25 books. This would be the 25th one. And then on the bottom, I've got 24 books. Okay, 24 books. So 25 plus 24 is 49. So the 25th book would be the median because I've got an odd number. And the 25th book, because if you're finding the median, you've got them written in increasing order or decreasing. I'm thinking about it in terms of increasing. The 25th book is 400, so that would have to be the median. So it took both of them. Answer is C.